Hello, welcome to my vlog about Harvard referencing. For those of you who do not know, Harvard referencing is a way of referencing material used for essays, constructive criticisms, things like that, so that people know that you're not just taking facts out of thin air, paraphrasing, or straight up plagiarizing. Let's start off with in-text referencing. Referencing in text usually comes after seeing something that's backed up by someone else. Let's say, for example, or you want to prove that you're talking about how XY is related to, or actually is, Z. Let's say, for example, you're talking about it from this guy called Greg who written a paper in 2017. Greg, brackets 2017, says that XY is Z. That's the first way you actually just plop it right into the middle of a text. The second way is putting it after the text to reference them after the fact. Like XYZ, reference to Greg, in brackets reference to Greg, comma 2017. Quoting, according to sources A, B, and C, I have made the conclusion that XY has a high probability of being one and the same as Z. Greg 2017, page 1. Then there is book referencing. It's quite different, but it starts off with surname, then initial of the author, of course, then the year or date, title in italics after that, full stop. You put the edition there, and the print/published location, and then the publisher after a colon. Like, Paperman G 2017 is XYZ and other disproved theories, second edition. Somewhere's press prints. I swear to God, how loud is this thing? Next is journal referencing. Journal referencing is quite similar to book referencing, except, you change the order around a little bit, as well as adding in a couple of details. To which I realise is basically barely like referencing the book. It starts off with the same as book referencing. Surname, initial, full stop, year, in brackets. Full title of the article. No abbreviations. Name of a journal in full in italics. No skimping out. The issue number, or numbers. And then the page range. Like, Paperman G, 2017. An in-depth analysis of X, Y, and Z similarities and the reasons for correlation by the local Journal of Recent Dead-End Scientific Discoveries, issued 88 and 89, page range being 28 to 34. Next is the website referencing. This one's a little different due to the URL and how many different websites have different ways of labeling everything. Let's say, for example, the one that's on screen right now. Full name of author, there's no need to rearrange it here. The year and date of when it was published. Title of article or page goes there in italics, full stop. Available from the link, or as I put here, http://www.putyourlinkhere.com/example, and it's accessed on the date that it was accessed here. Tautology at its finest, folks. Let's use my example as an example. Greg Paperman, 2017. Are X, Y, and Z closer than we think? Click here to find out. Available from https://www.localjournalofrecentstudies.gov/are X, Y, and Z closer than we think. Accessed on 20th of September 2018. Thank you for listening to my vlogs. Hope you've actually learned something.